Hello, I'm Greg Antoinette. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Would you like to read and write in English language within 1 month? There are tricks to be able to read and write in English language. You will never forget the letter M with the tricks I will be showing you in this video. If you want to follow up on the tricks I reveal in learning how to read and write in English language, then subscribe to this channel. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Hold on. Have you been following my videos? Wow! I love you. You are a good friend. Try to watch the previous episodes so that you can be able to understand this video. To learn how to read and write in English language, you must know how to pronounce the English alphabet. There are 26 letters of the alphabet. The small letter M and the capital letter M is the 13th letter of the alphabet. There are two letters on the screen. The first is the small letter M. The second is the capital letter M. The first trick you need to know is that all letters in English language, in whatever you are reading it from, is always moving to the right side of the hand. The letter M is pronounced as M. 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 Let me give you a trick to always remember the letter M. M is a sound most people make when they try to recollect what to say. The channel is Learning Come Alive. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the M sound. Another trick you need to know is to know the particular part of the mouth to use when pronouncing the M sound. When pronouncing the M sound, the mouth is open slightly, then the two lips is pressed together to produce the M sound. Another thing you need to know is that the English alphabet has phonic sounds. The phonic sound of letter M is mm, mm, mm. If you don't want to forget the sound, then remember the sound most people make when they want to choose between two things. I'll choose learning come alive. Keeping this in mind, you will never forget the sound. The lips are pressed together to produce the sound. What part of the mouth was very important in pronouncing the M sound? Drop it in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. So, letter M sounds Let's recite it and say it quickly. Letter M sounds 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 Wow! Great job! Examples of English words that begins with letter M sound are as in mat, as in man, as in milk. Another trick I will tell you is that the English alphabet is formed with the different placement of a curve, a stroke, and a dash. You can look on your screen to see the diagrams. For the small letter M, it is formed with a double curve up. The capital letter M is formed with a stroke to the left and to the right with two merged slanted strokes at the middle. So, between the small letter M and the capital letter M, what are the difference in the lines? Drop your answer in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you for watching my video. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye-bye.